This is an antique or vintage fridge, believe it or not. It came to me pretty beat up. Inside the shelves are pretty flimsy, but the hardware was grungy but interesting. See the thick wall of insulation inside the door. I removed the hardware and then I soaked it in some white vinegar, boiling white vinegar, and now you can see the before and after of the hardware. I am loving it because it came up a treat. It almost looks like this hand-forged brass, I think. But yeah, I'm in love with the hardware. I sanded back the exterior of the cupboard ready to paint, and we've chosen Fusion Mineral Paint in the colour Blue Pine for the outside and Paisley for the inside of the cupboard. Just a subtle difference. And you can see here, I've removed the top shelf and I'm making out of plywood some shelves for inside, and there we have the finished look. There's the top shelf as well. The cupboard opened, the cupboard closed. Now it's not a high value antique because the workmanship is kind of slapped together a little bit, but I do love that hardware. My daughter chose the colours on this because she's going to use it for her garden tools and things, so I can't wait to see that. Anyway, thanks for following and sharing my posts. Let me know what you think.